Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best wireless backup cameras available on the market for their true quality, ease of use, and performance. Whether you're outfitting your car, truck, or RV, we've got something for everyone in this countdown. Check out the product links in the description below so you can explore these options further. Let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Honest R50 wireless backup camera. This camera stands out with its solar-powered rechargeability and tool-free magnetic installation. The 1080p HD image quality ensures clear visibility, and the 5-inch IPS monitor delivers distortion-free video, making it ideal for reversing, towing, or parking your RV, truck, or trailer. With 16 IR LEDs, the night vision performance is exceptional, allowing safe driving in low-light conditions. The durable build features an IP69K waterproof rating, making it perfect for all-weather use. The design is compact and user-friendly, with a neodymium magnetic mount that protects your vehicle's surface from scratches. This portability allows for easy switching between vehicles, making it perfect for multi-car households or frequent travelers. The camera also offers a 36-foot transmission range with anti-interference technology, ensuring uninterrupted signal quality. Setup is quick and hassle-free, and the parking assistance system provides precise distance lines for safer reversing. While its solar-powered feature is convenient, the battery life may require occasional recharging for users who drive extensively at night. Overall, the Honest R50 is a reliable, mid-range option for drivers seeking portability and ease of use. It's perfect for RV owners or anyone needing a flexible solution for multiple vehicles. At rank number 4, we have the Befumly H21 wireless backup camera. This budget-friendly option delivers solid performance for its price point, featuring a crisp 1080p HD 5-inch display and super night vision technology for exceptional clarity in low-light conditions. The DIY-friendly installation takes only 25 minutes, requiring no tools or drilling, perfect for anyone looking to save on setup costs. The customizable parking lines allow precise alignment, making parking and reversing a breeze. The camera is built to endure tough conditions, with an IP69K waterproof rating for protection against rain, snow, and high-pressure water jets. It also supports dual-channel display, allowing you to add a second camera for enhanced visibility. The slim and secure design mounts discreetly behind your license plate, maintaining your vehicle's modern aesthetic. Despite its lower price, the Befumly H21 offers premium materials and gold-plated connectors for long-lasting durability. While the display size and features are slightly more basic compared to higher-end models, the Befumly H21 delivers excellent value for those on a budget. It's ideal for SUVs, vans, and pickups, making it a great choice for family cars or work vehicles requiring reliable backup assistance without breaking the bank. At rank number 3, we have the AutoVox solar wireless backup camera, which combines innovative design with convenient functionality. The standout feature here is the 2-minute DIY installation process. No wiring or drilling required. Simply mount it with a screwdriver or 3M adhesive, making it incredibly user-friendly. The camera uses solar power to assist the upgraded 5,000 mAh battery, giving it an impressive runtime of up to 3 to 4 months on a single charge. The 5-inch 1080p monitor provides sharp, vibrant visuals day or night, and the split-screen feature allows you to monitor the front, rear, or side of your vehicle for enhanced safety. It also supports dual channels, making it ideal for monitoring blind spots or trailer hitch points. The IP69K waterproof rating ensures reliability in diverse weather conditions, from freezing cold to scorching heat. The compact design allows flexible installation above or below the license plate, keeping your vehicle's aesthetics intact. While the battery life is excellent, the screen sleep mode may take some getting used to for new users. Overall, the AutoVox solar wireless backup camera is a fantastic option for drivers looking for a hassle-free installation and long-lasting performance. It's perfect for small RVs, trucks, or trailers and offers great value for its price. At rank number 2, we have the Pemicom P15 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This premium option is designed for effortless installation with its rare earth magnetic mount and scratch-proof rubber base. No tools, drilling, or hassle required. The 7-inch HD LCD monitor delivers incredible clarity, while the proprietary algorithm enhances image quality by 80%. With a wide-angle lens and f1.2 aperture, the camera provides outstanding visual coverage, eliminating blind spots for safer driving. The built-in 15,000 mAh battery and solar panel allow up to 24 hours of continuous use, making it ideal for long-distance travelers. The advanced digital signal receiver ensures a stable, interference-free transmission up to 33 feet, and the IP69 waterproof rating guarantees reliable performance in any weather. The customizable display settings and dual video channel support make it easy to tailor the system to your preferences, whether you're monitoring a trailer or hitch point. While the Pemicom P15 is packed with features, its higher price point may not suit budget-conscious shoppers. However, for those seeking top-tier performance and design, this camera system is a great investment. It's ideal for RV owners or truck drivers who need maximum reliability and flexibility on long road trips. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Big Jade Wireless Backup Camera, a true powerhouse for drivers who demand premium performance. This system features a stunning 7-inch 1080p HD monitor, offering crystal-clear visuals for reversing, parking, or driving. The Advanced Blind Spot Detection (BSD) system alerts you to obstacles in your danger zone, making it an invaluable tool for safety-conscious drivers. With infrared night vision, you'll have sharp black and white footage even in pitch darkness, ensuring you never miss a detail. The IP69 waterproof rating makes this camera ideal for rugged conditions, whether you're driving through mud, rain, or snow. It's built tough for RV adventurers and truckers who need reliability on the road. The adjustable reversing lines and multi-camera support allow you to monitor up to 4 cameras simultaneously, making it perfect for trailers, blind spots, and hitch points. Additionally, the loop recording feature protects you against hit-and-runs or false claims, adding an extra layer of security. While it requires a wired power connection, the Big Jade Wireless Backup Camera delivers unmatched performance and versatility. Its robust design and premium features make it the ultimate choice for RV owners, truck drivers, and anyone looking for top-tier backup camera technology. If you're ready to invest in safety and convenience, this is the camera for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding on the best wireless backup camera for your needs. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed reviews like this. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.